Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to upgrade your coil packs to these ones from DINAN in a BMW with an S58. Now, if you've been around the channel, these coil packs will be no stranger to you, and that's because we've installed them on a slew of cars, including Zach's Mini Cooper. So whether you have an F Series or a G Series, or you have something like a Mini, we probably have a set of these for your car. Now, the set that we're going to be installing today is compatible if you have a B36, a B38, a B46, a B48, a B58, or an S58 engine in your car. Basically, it's going to cover most G Series BMWs. Like I said, on the site, we also have them for F Series and a lot of Mini Coopers as well. As you can see, I went with blue. I run an engine cover, so you're never really gonna see the color anyway, but we do have them available in blue, black, and also red. So with that, let's jump over to the car and I'll show you how to install them. Now, when it comes to installing coil packs on a BMW with the S58, one of the really cool things, first off, there's no coding, there's no programming. It is 100% plug and play. And the reason that I'm going with the DINAN is that it is a proven brand, which everybody knows about DINAN. And these have 10% better spark, which, as you guys may know, this car has about 1,000 horsepower. I don't want to miss any spark. I want full max potential, and that's why I chose these. So with that, let's remove the strut brace and I'll show you how to install them. First thing you're gonna do, remove the 4 15mm nuts that are holding your strut brace on. You can see we have our Kies one on, we don't have a stock one, but regardless of the brand, should all be the same size nuts. And you can simply remove this. Next, we need to remove the engine cover. It's held on by 4 grommets. There's one basically in each corner. There's one over here, somewhere over here, up there, and over there. So just start with one corner, slowly pop it up, work your way through, and pop all those off. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. To remove your coil packs, it is super simple. All you need to do, you need to lift up on this little white tab right there. So just take your nail or a screwdriver, pop it up like that. Then you're going to press down on this, and this is going to slide off just like that. So as you can see, when you press on that little white tab, it slides open super nice. Then you're going to need an E-Torx. You need an E8, looks like this, little star guy. Pop that on there. There's very little torque on it. Now, one thing to note, these are designed to stay in the coil pack, so it'll never actually pull out. So once you have that loose, you just take your coil pack, pop it out, just like that, super easy. Then we're gonna take our new coil pack, line it up so the screw is at the bottom, press it in all the way, make sure it's down nice and tight. Then you can hand thread the E8 in, take your clip, slide it in, lock it in place like that. Then we're gonna torque this little bolt to 8 Newton meters. Okay, so stop when you hear the click, and this one is 100% done. That's how easy it is. Now, as you're going through, most of them are going to be exactly the same. You are going to have a couple, like cylinders number 4, where there's a little bit of a plug in the way. So all you need to do, if this does get in your way, is pull up on this little tab right here, press in, and you can slide that off, and then just move this out of the way, pull it off, and then the exact same thing with number 6. So with that, let's fly through the rest. All right, once you've done that, like I said, there's no coding, there's no programming, they just work, which is amazing. So let's reinstall our engine cover. What I like to do, line up the oil filler cap with this little hole, and then press in on all your grommets. And then we can reinstall our strut brace over here. Then all these 15mm nuts get torqued down to 28 Newton meters. All right, so as you saw, this took about 10 minutes or so, even with filming. So for a 10 to 15 minute job to get 10% better spark, more consistency, more reliability, especially, you can use these on a stock car, but even if you're running a 1,000+ horsepower car, totally the way to go. Very little time, very easy DIY. It doesn't matter where you do it. You could do it in your in-laws' driveway at Thanksgiving and they probably won't even notice you're gone. So if you're looking to pick up a set for your BMW, be sure to see the links down in the description. We have a link for this exact product that we installed and also some helpful links if you have Mini or an F-Series. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Check us out at kies.com. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.